If you want to organize your files in OneDrive, creating a new folder is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a new folder in OneDrive step by step so you can keep your documents, photos, and project files neat and easy to find. This is a simple beginner-friendly tutorial, and by the end, you'll know how to make a folder in the right location and name it properly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password, then complete any verification steps if needed. Once you're inside OneDrive, you'll see your files and folders on the main screen. Now take a look at the left side or top area of the page and go to My Files, or choose the exact location where you want your new folder to appear. This part is important because OneDrive lets you create folders in different places depending on how you want to organize your content. For example, you might want a folder inside My Files, or you may want to open a specific existing folder first and create a new one inside it. So before you click anything, make sure you're in the correct spot. Next, look at the top of the page and click Create. This opens the Creation menu in OneDrive. From the options that appear, select Folder. Once you click that, OneDrive will prompt you to enter a name for your new folder. Type in a clear folder name that makes sense for what you plan to store there. For example, you could name it Work Files, School Projects, Photos, Invoices, or anything that matches your use case. After typing the folder name, click Create to finish. OneDrive will now make the folder and place it in the location you selected. You should see the new folder appear right away in your file list. If you don't see it instantly, give it a second to refresh. Once it shows up, you're done. Your new OneDrive folder is ready to use. You can now click into the folder and start uploading files, creating more folders inside it, or sharing it with others if needed. That's one of the best things about OneDrive organization. You can build a simple folder structure that keeps everything easy to manage from any device. If you ever want to create another folder, just repeat the same process. Go to the location, click Create, choose Folder, name it, and click Create again. It only takes a few seconds once you get used to it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides, OneDrive tips, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.